Hello fellas, what's up? This is Junaid. Welcome back again to Xfinity, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable hardware encoding in Premiere Pro. I have seen this issue in my Premiere Pro, and today I'm going to show you the very secret method or a secret combination of keys that is going to unlock your hardware encoding while you are exporting in Premiere Pro CC 2020. Okay, first of all, before starting this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that like button. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright fellas, so I will open up Premiere Pro, and once I am in the Premiere Pro, let me show you what is the problem and I will show you how to fix it quickly. Okay, let me export my project by going to file, export, and go to media. You can also use shortcut which is Control M, and here you can see I am unable to change encoding settings, performance to hardware or software, and this is the error: hardware encoding is unavailable. Please make sure this system meets hardware and minimum OS requirements for this functionality. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, so in order to fix this issue, what you need to do, you need to hit Control and F12 if you are on Windows. If you are on Mac, you need to hit Command and F12. Okay, once you hit it, a pop-up will appear, and here you need to search HW hardware, and make sure you enable all the settings as I do. Okay, we need hardware encoding always enabled to true. Simulate, yes, we also need this. We also need this. We also need M4V encoding hardware. We also need this, and we need to, if you are on AMD processor, if you have a AMD processor and AMD graphic cards, this option is must be true. Okay, this must also be true. And if you are using NVIDIA, as I am doing NVIDIA GeForce 1660 Ti, I need to make that also true. And yes, we need to also make this true, and do not change anything else. And here you need to also make sure this is also true, and that's it. Once you have done your settings, just close it, and we need to restart our Premiere Pro. Alright, so once you are in your Premiere Pro, once again let us go to file and let us go to export, and let's see if this problem is fixed. Yes, you can see I can now switch to hardware and software. Okay, so this is a quick fix video, and I hope so. If you are facing this issue, you can resolve your issue now. And in my next video I will show you how to download NVIDIA Studio driver for Premiere Pro and After Effects. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Alright fellas, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.